If your closet door creaks by itself, you might have a ghost. If your fridge empties overnight, you definitely have a problem. But what if both happen at once? It was a dark and stormy night. I was home alone when suddenly, creak. My bedroom door slowly opened by itself. I froze, my heart pounded. Shadows danced on the walls and I heard footsteps closer and closer. I grabbed a flashlight and tiptoed down the hallway. The steps stopped outside the kitchen. I reached out, hand shaking, and flipped on the light, only to find my dog wearing my mom's slipper, raiding the fridge. Guess he was the phantom snacker all along. Who knew horror could be so fluffy?